In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your email sending domain in ConvertKit with Namecheap. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. All right, let's dive right into it. First things first, one of the key aspects of email marketing is ensuring that your emails are delivered effectively. To build trust with your subscribers, you'll want to verify your email sending domain. This process confirms to email providers that your emails are legitimate and helps improve your deliverability rates. Today, we are going to do this using ConvertKit and Namecheap. To get started, you'll need to log into your ConvertKit account. If you don't have one, you can easily create an account on their website. Once you're in your dashboard, navigate to the Account Settings section. You can usually find this in the bottom left corner of your screen. Click on it, and you'll be greeted with various options. From here, look for the Email tab. This is where you'll find the option to set up and verify your domain. Click on it, and you should see an option that says Add Domain or something similar. Within this section, you'll want to input the domain that you wish to verify. Let's say you own the domain example.com, so input that domain and then click on Next to proceed. Now, ConvertKit will provide you with specific DNS records that you'll need to add to your domain settings in Namecheap. There are typically two types of records, a TXT record for verification and sometimes an SPF or DKIM record to help with deliverability. Make note of these records because you'll need them shortly. Now switch over to your Namecheap account. Log into your account dashboard and go to the Domain List section. Here, find your domain that you just added to ConvertKit and click on the Manage button next to it. This will take you to the settings for your domain. In the domain settings, look for the Advanced DNS tab. This is where you'll add the DNS records that ConvertKit provided. Click on it, and you'll see an option to Add New Record. The first record you'll want to add is the TXT record for verification, so select TXT record from the drop-down menu. For the host, you can enter @ to indicate the root domain or follow specific instructions provided by ConvertKit if advised otherwise. Next, in the Value field, paste the text string that ConvertKit gave you for verification. The TTL can usually stay as automatic or whatever the default is. After you've input that information, go ahead and click on the checkmark or Save All Changes button. You want to ensure that this record is saved properly. Next, if ConvertKit provided additional records like SPF or DKIM, you'll repeat the process. Add another Add New Record and select the type of record you need. Make sure to fill in the host and value exactly as ConvertKit instructed. Once you've added all necessary records, give them a few minutes to propagate. Sometimes it can take a little while for changes to be recognized across the internet. Now head back to your ConvertKit account. There should be a button that says Check DNS, or probably something similar. Click this option to have ConvertKit verify that the records were successfully added. If everything was done correctly, you should see a message stating that your domain has been verified. Congratulations! You've successfully verified your email sending domain in ConvertKit using Namecheap. This will significantly enhance your email deliverability, so your subscribers are more likely to receive your vital updates and insights. Remember, if you ever need to change DNS settings, just return to Namecheap. Always be careful with DNS records, as incorrect settings can affect your website and email functionality.